Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech. This is Kevin. So we're continuing this series. We're walking from the Grand Central Terminal all the way to the Times Square. So you can see an old building there. On my left, it's a brick building. You will see a lot of mix here, old and new buildings actually. So along the way we will be passing through the Empire State Building. So New York is called the Empire State. So each state here in the US is called by nicknames. For example, Georgia is the Peach State, New Hampshire is the Granite State, and so much more. But New York is the Empire State. No one really knows, even the historians doesn't really know who coined the nickname or who's the source of the nickname for the Empire State, and that is your Empire State Building. Very nice. But going to the term Empire State, it is attributed to the state's wealth and resources. So that's they say where it came from, but there are some doubts regarding that. But anyway, New York is a very rich state. Just having this New York City, wherein a lot of businesses, even from around the world, are stationed here or headquartered here as their US headquarters. Yes, that's why New York City is the center of business around the world. Not for a particular country, but around the world. So the Empire State Building, which you can see on my left, after we cross the street, was built from 1930 to 1931. So that's a long time, guys. And it's one of the most, I would say, most recognizable landmarks here in New York City. So the last time we went here in New York in 2019, we went to the observation decks, and there's an Art Deco architecture there that you can go to, and it's really a popular attraction here in New York City. So if you think about it, around 4 million tourists visits the Empire State Building annually. Well, for a building, that's a lot of people. So it's the tallest building from 1931 to 1970. So before that we saw the Chrysler Building. So before the Empire State, it was the Chrysler Building, and then it became the Empire State from 1931 to 1970, and then afterwards the World Trade Center, which is sadly, it's a sad thing that it's gone now, but it was surpassed by the World Trade Center in terms of the tallest building. But of course you have the Burj Khalifa now as the tallest building in the world, but the Empire State Building holds that crown from 1931 to 1970. So it's a long time, guys. So from this part of the street, 34th Street here in New York City, you can see Macy's, the Macy's building just ahead of us, and we will do our shopping somewhere there. There's a Hollister shop there and so many other shops that we want to go there to shop, and then you have our Superdry flagship store here. So maybe we'll pass by. You have Banana Republic, and then from there we will make a right from the front facade of Macy's building, and we will walk all the way to Times Square. So that's Broadway also, in front of Macy's. You have Ghirardelli chocolate, which originated in San Francisco here, and then you have the observatory here. I'll pause my video here. If you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.